I will be completing the layer 4 syllabication worksheet. My first word, I do not have a magic E at the end of the word, so therefore I'm going to underline my vowels, place a V under my vowels, draw my bridge. I have one consonant under in between my two vowels. Well, my three vowels, my EE is a vowel T, so that counts as one vowel. However, I have to draw my dotted line, which will make my first syllable open. And I'm going to draw my solid line, which will make my first syllable close. First, I'm going to try with the closed syllable. That would be ses, alls, and AW is a vowel T, so therefore I can make that one vowel. And ses, all don't sound right, so therefore I must use my open syllable, which will make my EE vowel team a long E, and that will be seesaw. So my first syllable will be C, which is open. My second syllable will be VT vowel team. So my word is seesaw. My second word does have a magic E, so I'm going to draw my line from my E to my A and put my ME at the top for magic E. Next, I will underline the remaining vowels, put the V up under them, draw my bridge. So from O to E, I have two consonants, which means I have to draw my line between the two consonants. And from my E to my A, I have a blend, which is the tr, so I will swoop them together. Then I will draw my line between my N and my T. So my first syllable will be a closed syllable, which makes my O a short O. My second syllable will be a closed syllable, which makes my E a short E. And we automatically know that our third syllable is a magic E. Therefore, that is a long A. So, my first syllable would be con. Second syllable would be sin, because the C will be a soft C because it's followed by N. So that would be sin. And my last syllable would be trait. Concentrate. That's word number 2. Word number 3. I do not have a magic E. However, I do have an ending, which is end. So I know I will swoop those two together. I will underline my vowels, which is my O and my OU. I will put V up under there and V up under my OU. Draw my bridge. My OU is together. Therefore, I'm going to draw my dotted line between my O and my F, because I only have one consonant between my two vowels. And I will draw a solid line on the other side of my F to make it a closed syllable. So if I have a closed syllable, the word would be profound. And that does not sound right. So therefore, I would need my open syllable. So I would use my dotted line. I can swoop my P arbor together because that's a blend. And you will find pro, which syllable 1 is open. Found is my second syllable. and my word is profile. You have an open first syllable, closed second syllable. Word number 4, I have a E, and a I. Vowel, vowel, vowel. I draw my bridge between the A and the E. There's only one consonant in between, so I will have to draw my dotted line to leave my A open, and I will draw my solid line to make my first syllable closed. From my E to my I will draw a bridge. I will swoop my ST because those are 2 letters I can put together, which means I can leave the E an open syllable, or I could draw a solid line and make it a closed second syllable. So if I go with my first syllable and it's closed, it would be majestic. Majestic. If I go with the open first syllable, it would be majestic. Majestic. So I'm going to assume that this A is a schwa, which would give the A U sound, a short U sound, which would sound right, majestic. So my first syllable would be a schwa. My second syllable would be it'd be closed. And my last syllable would be closed. Word number 5, I have a Y that's a vowel, a I that's a vowel, a ER that's art bossy R. So I will draw my line from my Y to my I. I will draw my dotted line to leave my first syllable open because I only have one consonant in between the 2 vowels. Then I will draw my solid line between the L and the I. I have 2 vowels between my I and my bossy R, so I will draw a line in between the 2 consonants. I have 2 consonants in between my I and my bossy R. I will draw a line between the 2 consonants. So my word could be cylinder, which sounds right. SICON with my closed syllable in the second syllable and der at the end. However, it could be cylinder if I leave the SY open. But I'm going to leave it closed. My second syllable will be closed, and my third syllable is bossy R. So my word is cylinder. My 6th word is gentleness. I know I have a suffix on the end of gentleness, so I will circle it. I have a TLE UF. A TLE, which is a consonant LE, and I'm left with the base word gin, which is one vowel. We know that'll be closed, so it's gentleness. Those are the words.